Big mess. Hey, welcome back to the garage. No idea what I'm doing today. I have some tools and parts and stuff to unbox, so we're gonna do that first, I guess. And then, yeah, I might whip out the old sparkle wrench and take off those two brackets that I've been trying to. Or I might start back up on the rear wheel wells to try to clear those out. I don't know, we'll see. Let's see what we get done today. Starting off, we got this box, which my wife has lovingly referred to as my coffin. So I also bought some stuff. Some of it's unboxed already, so I'm not gonna have to put you through it. But basically, what do we got here? We got some Dura-Blocks for sanding. Cool, needed those. Fuse box, super cheap. Cushion clamps, because I'm going to be putting stuff back underneath the car at some point, or so I like to believe. And this is just a set of O-rings. These don't look that great, honestly, but whatever. It's good to have them. This is really just kind of like a restock. Alright. Alright, what could this possibly be? No idea. Alright, so this is engine enamel with ceramic, withstands heat up to 500 degrees. This is what I'm going to use for the actual engine bay area, and it's white. I don't know how gloss this is, though. It said it was gloss white, but we'll see. And then there's this, which I have no idea what this is. This may not even be related. Oh, yeah, for some reason I bought caliper paint. Totally forgot about this. Cool, so there's that. You guys want to see what's in the coffin? Can we stick you guys up on the Mustang? Alright, I might not actually want to completely unfurl this. Bought a new third mount brake light. I bought these guys. Alright, so the reason why this box is so big is because of this brake line. This is the intermediate line that goes from the front to the back. Yeah, I don't want to undo this yet because it's neatly in this box. So, but there's some other stuff in here that I don't want to get out. What is this? Some kind of hardware kit. It doesn't say. Oh, this is control arm bolts. Alright, so these fell out of the bags, but they're dust shields. There's something else at the bottom of this that I can't reach, but probably something to do with brakes. I forgot. What is this? Rock oil. This is the brake line that goes from the axle to the body of the third mount. That goes, this is the distribution block that goes between the two rear brakes. For my GoPro, 2 more batteries and a battery charger that I could just plug in. So this will be cool. Also neglected to mention that there's a heat wave going on. Yeah, so it's like 100 degrees outside. I'm trying to keep the garage door closed, but I'm probably gonna have to open it. So we'll see what happens. So it's way too hot to be doing this right now. Let's take a look. There we go. Cut it out. Obviously, drilling the spot welds, you see that there is some rust, like particularly there. So we're gonna clean all this up and pop the bottom plate off from both sides. But it is way too hot today to finish this up. I think I'm gonna switch to doing something else. Alright, so I pulled the Mustangs out. We're going to spray a little paint because I exposed some of this rust here. And I just want to get some of the rust converter on there. So I'm gonna cover that in and then get it ready for the undercoating. Cool, so let's see how this works out. Alright, so a lot of this has been bugging me. There's a lot of rust. So I just tried to expose it all. I have to hit this again here. But I tried to get rid of as much of it as possible. I'm going to hit it with the rust reformer. And then I'm going to have somebody professional rebuild all that because it's like a 1/4 inch of Bondo. So I've sprayed in the rust reformer. It's not great, but I tried to do as best as I could. Let me see. Get some light. You can see a lot of the stuff that's left that I couldn't grind off, but all of this is going to get covered in undercoating. It's basically what it was before, but I wanted to treat underneath it. This has to cure for at least a day. Yeah, maybe next weekend when it's not so hot, I'll take care of the rest of it. Or do the other side. Oh God, there's another side. All right, I'm gonna call it here. I know I didn't get much done today, but it's just a lot of work. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Yeah, there's something else